Welcome back. Are you using the Airtel or Tata Sky broadband that uses a router like the Nokia G140W series router? Which obviously means you have a fiber optic internet connection, or FiberNet as they call it. So this isn't an easy router to move with that fiber optic cable input, but there is a solution, and let's find out how we can do that. Well, now you see it's a very nice looking router which is probably given free by your ISP. It's a tabletop design, wall mountable, but it's poorly designed. I'll show you why later. Owing to the specs, it's pretty decent. Has dual band 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. It's got a wipe line for the phone. It's got 4 auto sensing LAN ports, and it's gigabit ports as well, and it also has a USB port. This tiny fiber patch cord cable that came with it is really short. It's hardly less than a meter long, I guess. It's called the SC-APC to SC-APC Optical Patch Cord Cable. So this router supports SC-APC, and little did I know about the color combination that these cords have, which makes a big deal in getting them connected right. So this is the terminator box which comes from the external wiring, and from this small patch cord goes to your router. So that black cable which comes from outside from your ISP is really strong, and it's not really flexible. But this cord, I realized that I can change it and probably extend or move the routers to some other place. So coming back to the problem, the external fiber cable, as I said, is really unflexible and probably is already fixed to a particular location in your house. So if you want to try moving this router, it's really difficult simply because of the patch cord, which is not easily available, or it's not one of those LAN cables which you can get from anywhere. I wanted to wall mount it, and thanks to Nokia's beautiful industrial design, there is also a charger that protrudes out at the back, making it really cumbersome to mount it on the wall. So there's no flat surface, so you can't actually wall mount it. And imagine having all the LAN cables behind this. It's not going to work. So my next stop was Amazon, obviously. I tried to find this cable online. And initially, you get multiple choices. There are so many types of cables here. FC, PC, LCPC, SCPC, and PCPC. I mean, it's crazy. So the one you need for this router, the Nokia G140, is the SC-APC to SC-APC. And this color code, the combination of this yellow and that particular green colored socket makes a big difference. So this new cable which I ordered is about 5 meters long. The existing one is hardly about less than a meter long. I finally got the cable. So you had to order 2 pieces because Simpex said that you can't order one set. So I had to order 2 of those. Well, the cable itself looks amazing. It's a lot thicker, has protective caps at either ends, keeping it safe. Just want to show you keeping this side by side with the old cable. I mean, you can already see there's such a big difference. And I like that end cap protectors on this. And look at the cable side by side with the old one. It's a lot thicker. And that's the end cap. I like that. It's kind of gives a good feeling that it's quality checked and probably taken care of. Both look the same. So let's do a quick check. Just want to make sure that the cable fits. And this wire really is thicker, a lot thicker. Just going to plug this in. Yep, and it fits well. No issues there. Now, just to be sure that the signal levels are fine after the cables are replaced, all you need to do is just log into your router and look for the optical stats. So if it's a Nokia router, you'll have to enter your credentials in the browser, log into your router with your username and password, and look for optical stats. It should be right on the left side menu. So basically click the optical module status and you get the current reading it is at right now. It's with the old cable. It's minus 18.39 right now. And there's a threshold given here. So, the signal level shouldn't be more than 25 decibel. And, on the upper side, optical measurements should not exceed minus 7.8 dB. I'm going to quickly add new cable, do a refresh, keep a watch on the signal. So right now there's no signal. I'm going to hit refresh now. Okay, new cable is connected. Okay, there it is. It's working fine. A slight difference in the reading. It's minus 18.51 now, but it's still within the threshold, so it works great. Let's do a speed test just to be sure this is working fine. Yep, I think this is great. It's a 50 Mbps connection, and as you can see, it's already exceeded that anyways. So the cable extension is successful. It works. It doesn't matter if your cable is longer, because it's a fiber cable. You can even stretch it to a much longer distance without any loss in your performance, unless the cable itself is bad. So that was my short video to help you understand how to extend that fiber patch cord cable for your Nokia routers. In case you like the video, please hit the like button, hit the bell icon, and do consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.